So we had a hurricane and we just got here. It's 5 days later and we have stuff down everywhere. We have at least a full day of just walking around, picking up branches that are just down all over the property, and we lost one big tree in the back, a big oak. So we're really bummed about that, but we're so happy the house was unscathed, no broken windows, no bad roof, nothing like that. So thankfully it's just a lot of tree debris, but when I say a lot, I mean a lot, like a ton. So had to move a couple medium-sized branches from the driveway driving up to the property. Yeah, it was so messy. So that's what we get living in Florida. Just a mess. This walkway is my arch nemesis. But my hydrangeas are doing good. They even have little blooms. I'm so excited. Will this be the weekend I get them in the ground? Oh, poor things. Mike and I drove separately, and it was such a nice surprise looking out the window in the pouring rain and seeing him driving up with our little Piper, who he brought with him so she could run around the property and burn up some of her energy. She's got lots of it.
Somebody get in the bag. You know what we do is turn on the sprinklers.
Towards the front.
Piper! Where?
She went to... Oh, here she comes.
Whee! We've been pent up in our house for too long. Yeah, they killed all this stuff and we're good. Remember that at all?
Yeah. It's such a mess. You had just done such a nice job cleaning it all up.
Yeah, I want to say at Christmas break when we were here. I walked out here and spent the whole day out here making piles.
Yeah. It's a mess. We are cutting down logs that have fallen, but I just thought this was so cool. Look at these mushrooms. They're all over the tree. I just thought it was super neat looking. Almost looks like scales. So cool. Apparently we've got 3 slats that have fallen out of the barn doors, which we'll have to repair. But I'm here for my morning sunrise, and look how beautiful the sky is turning this morning. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh. I love how it looks with a little bit of morning fog. So the plan is to cut off the ends of the tree, which you can see we're making a humongous mess over here with all the pieces we've cut off of the tree. But we're going to take off the small branches and stack the wood for fires for winter time. But this is a ginormous job. Do not be mistaken. So this will take us at least all day. And yeah, fun times. So I'm helping. Mike is cutting the branches and then I'm dragging him away, except for right now because I'm taking this video. But yeah, we're gonna have lots of firewood. And we just heard that there's another hurricane out in the Atlantic, and they're expecting it to come this way again. So I'm hoping they're wrong because I don't want to clean up this kind of crazy work again. But yep. Fun times living in the country, especially Florida, where we get to experience hurricanes and fun times like these. I really wish I had her energy. We really hope that you enjoyed this week's video, and hopefully in the future we'll have more content that's not just us cleaning up the property. But please be sure to help us out and give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to hopefully interacting with you in the future. Thanks for watching.